tell me, why is it so important to disinfect a comb, scissors, such like from one customer to the other?
It is not about the length or the breadth of the prayer. It is about the sincerity of the heart.
Sadia, madam, put the next coffee there. You're not saying? Three. Won't you wipe it? Put off the radio so you hear what I'm saying. And also say I said, hello, welcome.
Hi, thank you.
Please, how may we be of service to you?
Well, I'd like to buy a lot of items for a very special occasion.
Hey, Sadia. Madam. Please, I'll be where you shortly. Yes.
Please put them all in one polythene bag.
All right, madam.
Thank you.
You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Well, my name is Abiba. Everybody in this neighborhood calls me Abby.
I'm Stacy.
Do you live around?
Not too far.
Oh, okay. I hope you'll be coming here often.
Definitely.
I like your bag.
Oh, thank you.
Sadia, you're fast.
Thanks, how much?
Please, you have to give me a second. I would have to calculate this.
Okay.
Bag, kasi ano ba ako? Kasi apa?
You're 25. It's down the mama.
Madam, Dabi.
Sadia,
Madam.
25 Ghana now. Who be bomeka? Anna. Okay. Mama, no way.
Madam, she was here a while ago.
Sadia!
I bind in the name of Jesus. I bind in the name of Jesus. Every foul spirit that has been sent to attack my sister, in the name of Jesus, I bind, I bomb you. I bomb you in the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus, I break in the name of Jesus. Jesus, precious Jesus, oh, for grace to trust you more, oh, for grace to trust you. Good evening, my sister.
Can I help you?
Not really.
So why this unwanted visit?
Relax, my sister. I know I am not welcomed in here, but the good Lord has sent me to deliver a very important message to you.
Hey, you still have the nerves to mention God's name. Now, when you have a power, which God are you talking about? Is it the same God that used to give you information through Kwame Danger? Or is a new God you yet to introduce me to?
I am talking of the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob, the one who created all things. The here, which means I am that I am.
Hey, Bibi, you're wrong. Taffy!
Abiba!
Osofo,
Abiba, you betray my Christ.
you're careful. See, if you joke with me, I'll pour this hot coffee into your face. You blasphemer.
Abiba, if pouring a cup of coffee or a bucket of coffee, or better still, a barrel of coffee on my very fair face is what will recompense you of my sin and make you give ear to this important message I have for you, then please do not hesitate. Just go ahead. For the cross that I carry is a very heavy one.
Osofo.
I had a dream. God revealed a misfortune that is about to befall you in a dream to me, my sister. In this dream, a very beautiful woman, Obao Bosipa, came to your shop. And she was pointing. She bought almost everything in your shop. She points and you hop and pick. She points, you hop and pick. Hopping here and there. And after she was done, as you were calculating her bill for her, she just vanished out of your sight in a swoosh. Yes. Just like that. As if that was not enough, my sister. The car she came with drove away. Vroom! Just like that. Driverless.
Ah. Osofo.
Driverless.
Wait, let me ask you something. Were you also part of her planning the dream?
Verily, verily, I say unto you, I was not a party in the dream. God only borrowed my eyes for the dream.
I should thank God then. There wasn't many J. Because it's only you and your gang that knows how to dupe me.
Abiba, God works in mysterious ways. I might have been here to dupe you yesterday, but today I am here to save you. Yes, my sister. You know what? Just let me lay hands and pray for you to deliver.
If you put this your filthy hands of yours on me, also for whatever you call yourself. Hey, respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself. Don't even try me. Pray for who?
Calm down, my sister. Just calm down. Play me low. My sister.
Hey! Who is your sister? We are the company. And I saw we are tenny. Me no free tamale. Don't call me your sister.
The blessings of God is a free gift. And they that receive it must so do receive out of their own free will.
Leave! I don't like that, Osofo.
Calm down, my sister. I will go. I will leave.
Leave.
But watch and pray. For the devil is lurking at your door, seeking whom to devour. Watch and pray, my sister. Watch and pray. Just watch and pray, my sister. Jesus, Jesus, how I trust you, how I prove.
Great. Bah, a rib. Lady for one, I don't mean Antiana. And I say, size for Bremie.
Send the girls sleep in power or the boat. Hey, I want to buy everything in that shop.
There's a condition. But you need another mouth for free. But you have to be my best friend.
Oh,
Forever.
that is the least I can do to own that shop.
But guys, Chayo, you look so excited. Why did you see an angel on your way back here?
Yes, I saw an angel, but not on my way here, but right in my house.
Tell me.
Abiba,
Yes.
Kofi Simpson has changed so much that I find it difficult to believe. He's almost like a lamb now.
I'm happy for you.
Yeah, God has been so good to me through the prayers of Osofo.
Which Osofo?
Oh, Osofo Josephus, of course.
Don't even mention that name here. Ote.
Hey, look, Abiba, if you don't believe in him, I do. I'm benefiting from his prayers. Look, before he came into my life, my marriage was in shambles. But now, I have my husband every night. What else can I do?
Whatever, Grace. You know that man had the guts to come into my shop. Was it somewhere last week that he had a dream or a vision? Almost poured hot coffee into his face.
Sacrilege! He's a man of God.
Hey, don't get me angry. Mebao.
Ah, that's a Daniel.
Obi eni ho, sadi amasuma no. Me enko.
Hey, Denko.
Sa konfo akwa be bia me. Enko.
Wait. Abiba, What vision did Osofo have?
Auntie Grace.
He had a dream that a nicely dressed woman came into my shop with a nice car to buy a lot of items. And just when I was calculating the items, the woman disappeared with the items.
Jesus! This is a demonic visitation from the pit of hell. And what did you do?
Who? Me.
Yes, of course.
And can you imagine? He actually wanted to pray for me. Hey, Mr. Payne, one time.
Hey, Abiba! So you didn't allow Osofo to cast away the demons that are planning to attack you?
No demon is planning anything against me.
Oh, Abiba, you need to fast and pray to avert any misfortune the enemies are planning against you. Hey!
Over a false prophecy.
Hey, Abiba, I swear to you.
Mama Sonia Deng.
Yo. You. Hey, my friend. Hello, sweetie.
Hello, honey pie.
Hello, sweetie. How you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm just missing you. And I thought you should join me here.
Really? Where are you?
I'll cry for a second. Osu food court.
Okay.
You know what? Fly over and join me here. Tubra, what?
I'll be right there.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Abiba, I have to go.
Hey, Grace, who was kills, Papa? You behave as if a lion is about to eat him up.
Hey, we know they are now there to jackpot.
So, get me a packet. Come there, dinner.
Rest assured, Usrana. May you show. I'm in Combra.
Grace, bio. Mr. Gamudenangla, Dim Solo. Money, Sadia, I do milk snack. Mr. Damone, 2 cartons, Cadicho. Oh, but Jim so goes down, Lena. Milk mountain at dinner, Piani. Mr. Adam, check and pull a bag. Hello, madam. Welcome.
Thank you.
Please, how may we be of service to you?
Well, I run an NGO and I want to donate some things to an SOS, so I'm just here to get some few things for that.
Wow, you're kind. Madam, please, which one of them?
All of that.
You mean everything? Oh, okay. Please have a seat. I'll be with you shortly.
Oh, no, thank you. I've been sitting all morning. I'll just wait.
Can I get you something to drink? At least to quench your thirst.
That's good customer service.
That's what we do here.
Any soft drink, OJ?
Any something. Okay. Be with you shortly. Okay, ma.
Oh, thank you very much.
Okay, so I'll just be with you.
Hello, Grace. Sweetie pie. Sorry, honey.
Hey, Kofi. So you couldn't even wait for me? Hey? You?
After I finished talking to you, I had a call from a business partner. He says I should meet him in 30 minutes time for a deal. Laja, put the sugar.
Oh, his pots are dates.
Oh, don't worry. Listen, I would make it up to you this evening.
Are you sure?
This evening,
Are you
trust
sure?
me.
Are you
I'll
sure?
do it.
Hey, Kofi.
You know, let me order a takeaway for you, okay?
Okay.
So that I can take it away.
Okay.
Waiter!
Hey,
Take away, please.
Kofi, you're so sweet. Hey, Kofi.
Oh,
So you
Grace,
can be this sweet.
I'm always sweet. You, sorry, let me hold you back.
Okay.
Why don't I drop you quickly and then from there I'll rush to see the people?
Oh, no, don't worry. I'll get a taxi.
Are you sure? Yeah. Well, if you insist, I mean, let me get you a taxi.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Mommy, great. Let me get you a taxi. Let me get you a taxi.
You, my money paper with lady.
Madam, please, everything will be 2,200 Ghana cedis.
Is that all?
Yes, please. Please, this is 2,300.
Yes, let her keep the 100. I really like your service.
Thank you very much, madam.
You're welcome. You can
Let
keep
me
my
see.
card.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Driver, by chance, have you seen any pets there?
No, madam.
Oh, I guess I left it at the restaurant where you picked me. Could you please make a U-turn? Driver, yeah, U-turn. Na, me confirm me pets. Yeah, ready.
Madam,
Hey,
Hey!
is my tea ready?
Rich tea. It's not just your tea that is ready. In fact, usika na you ready. Me no ka say me 1 week sika right now.
I see. Did it rain money here today?
Said you've registered already. Yeah. Okay, have it. This makes it easier. Right now, all that I have to do is take your MTN number, repeat your number, the amount you want to transact, my user ID, and my MTN mobile money pin. Okay. The system will automatically debit me and credit you. Then you have a confirmation message. Okay. You understand everything? Okay. So, madam, how much do you want to load? 100 Ghana. 100 Ghana.
Oh, I forgot. You now have the blessing of the MTN mobile money service.
Yes. And guess what? Now Sadia calls herself the electronic banker. She serves all day.
All through the magic of the MTN mobile money service. Perhaps the most important service you can ever get at present.
Of course. Info. And you say you can see at all how God sent a customer straight down from heaven to the shop today.
Oh, Akbenamau. Then make your contribution.
What are you talking about?
Fast.
Me pay your cash. I'm paying everything.
You are shocking me.
Change. Abiba. Running in our grammar. 1 week. I told you.
Okay.
He, this lady. Efo, why is anything the matter? Edian skills now we sika kakra obe just so. Efo so the one.
The note is counterfeit.
Sadia?
Yes.
What's the day?
It is counterfeit.
Sadia, come and listen to me. Mama, a show cry to me.
This note is a counterfeit.
Family, every abroad,
you're my baby, yo. God me that.
Ghana, Nigeria,
my mama tell me, make I not fall in love with this girl again. But I know mine. I just say, man, would gonna be a day. My mama tell me, make I not fall in love with this girl again. But I know mine. I just say, man, would gonna be a day. Because say I love this girl, oh. That's why she dey black up my head, oh. Anything what you do, I no send, oh. Because say I love you, this girl, oh. That's why you dey block out my head, oh. Anything what you do, I no send, oh. Mama.
When it's tight on me, Johnny Way, when it's tight on me. When it's tight on me, mirror me, tight on me. When it's tight on me, Johnny Way, when it's tight on me. When it's tight on me, mirror me, tight on me. She done pushing on me, everywhere I go, she done pushing on me. She done pushing on me. Everywhere I go, she done pushing on me. The girl won't pull me down, make her go down. Never, never. I'm physically fit. Walk on the street. Sexy ladies, then be too bad. Oh, no be say